How to change a 2016 Chrysler 200 4-button key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
All right, we're going to change the battery out on our 4-button Chrysler 200 remote. With that, you will need a flat tip screwdriver and your new battery, which is a CR 2032. If you do have a lanyard attached right here or a key ring, you will need to remove that since this remote housing comes apart. Let's go ahead and flip it over. Notice you have emergency key blade release right here. Use your fingernail, pull back on it. It is spring loaded, so it has tension. Now that you're done, you'll notice the blade came out here. You got that indentation here. Go and put your flat tip in there. Hold the remote firmly. And when you do this, just twist the flat tip screwdriver. Do not pry. Go ahead and take it, put it face down. And the reason why I do it this way is when you open it up, your circuit board, you don't want it to pop out. If it does pop out, you'll notice right here, there's a little indentation where a piece of plastic pops up. That's to hold that circuit board. Now, take that flat tip screwdriver and notice you come 180 across. And you notice how I just popped it out? There's an indentation right here. You just take the corner. Notice it's CR 2032 battery. Let's go ahead and reassemble. This is a new remote, so I'm going to put the battery back in there. It is spring loaded right there as well. Spring tension. It's in, push down, put the two halves together. There you go, you've done it. Hey, thanks again for watching, and if you would, be safe out there.